All right, here we're looking at question 9D, exercise 9D, question 10, okay? And we're looking at, suppose the probability of A is equal to 0.35, B is equal to 0.24, and the intersection, okay, remember this is intersection of these two, is 0.12. All right, if you're having trouble remembering between intersection and union, just remember that union, okay, has the U, and then intersection is just the other one. So the probability of the union of these two is equal to the probabilities added together. So probability of A plus probability of B minus the probability of the intersection. All right, so this is just subbing in values when you know this formula. Okay, so this is going to be 0.35 plus 0.24 minus 0.12. All right, add these two together and we get 0.59. All right, I'll just do it in an extra step. Minus that and you get 0.47. And that's it.